at y'all looking ass niggas. Stop looking at my ass niggas. Look at y'all lying ass niggas talking about his paid door for this finance line ass nigga. Bunch of non-mobile ass niggas frontin' like they got a plan, boots mobile ass nigga. Nigga, look at y'all, can't get a job, so you probably how to carve ass niggas. I ain't got a check for y'all, running from the check for y'all, I'ma need a check from y'all niggas. I don't want to give a fuck about your ex, I don't even wanna touch y'all niggas. I'm raping you niggas, look at this pic, look at what the fuck I gave to you niggas. Ain't niggas with my time, pull me quick, and I'm killing these niggas. Ladies, if you standing next to a real nigga, make some noise. Niggas, if you got $100 or more in your pocket, make some motherfucking noise. Look at y'all sharing one bottle in the club, one bottle full of bub ass niggas. Look at y'all not having game ass niggas. Y'all niggas share chain ass niggas. No hand ass nigga in the club with a credit card CM ass nigga. No dick in the pants ass nigga. I'll be damned if I fuck a 9-man ass nigga.